You. This is Geico.
I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Thank you for asking. So, are you calling regarding a new claim, an existing claim? How may I help you today?
It's an old claim, and then my insurance rates went up. Basically, I gotten a letter in the mail, like I don't know, probably within the last month, saying there was someone else disputing some sort of a accident. It was a total insurance fraud, and I disputed this. I had no one get in touch with me. I had another woman that was supposedly, I don't know, a passenger in the vehicle where this happened. I'm going to tell you this right now. I am recording this. These people are involved with the fucking Jewish, excuse my French, I'm sorry. These people are involved with the Mossad. They're involved with the Mossad, and that is the truth. And so I'm recording this because this literally involves the FBI. So yeah, I need to know what happened there, why this person was added to this claim, because there was no injuries or anything like that. It was literally me brushing up against this other person. It was staged. That I know for certain. I have this person's license. I need to know what's going on there. I'm going to be doing a criminal investigation because I believe, because I know a lot of people are in on this, including businesses, because this is an operation. I have people coming after me.
Oh, that's no good. If you don't mind me asking, is the other person
They're involved with the Mossad.
behind it?
What's that?
Is the other person, I guess, were they in a Buick Enclave?
Enclave. I don't know what do you mean? What are you talking? It
Because I see whenever you call in, it kind of shows the claim number on. So I just copy and paste it. It showed an accident on November 15th. The accident that you were, I guess, the false one that you were talking about.
There was only one quote unquote accident, if you want to call it that, and that was back in November. Okay, yeah, this is saying the 15th. How many of them do you have on me? Because there was only one.
One.
Okay. Yeah, there was someone else added to that with a different name. So I needed, it was a woman's name. Like I said, I literally am. These people are involved with the Mossad. Like, this is what's happening in this country right now. And it's all because I am a patriot. So, yeah, I need to know what's happening there and why this person was added to that because now my insurance rates are like $160. My car is ancient. I mean, in terms of car status, it's a 2017 Jeep.
Absolutely. And I'm gonna do everything I can for you today, Miss Larissa. If I do get quiet, I'm just reading the notes that we have here just to make sure I give you all the proper information.
Okay.
Now, as far as like the rate going up, that would be our service. And the could give you fence, so maybe like
Oh,
them,
okay,
just
but
to how come it went up.
okay. I need to clear up though what went on with this whole incident because this person lied about their headlight being damaged. There was no visible damage that I saw. None at all. I disputed this. And then it says somebody settled the claim by the name of Asia McLean. And this is also very interesting too, if this is even a real name. China does tie into what's happening to me. There's no coincidences in any of this. As strange as this sounds, or does it really sound that strange at this point? Um, this is what's happening. So I need to know what what the details are with this incident because it is insurance fraud. I'm being followed around. I'm being followed around, stalked, harassed. Literally, my life is being threatened all the time. I have people waiting for me. They're following to my home. I have men waiting in cars with the running lights going. It's constant.
That is very, very scary. Well, I'll let you know. I can start on this. So it looks like two payments were sent to someone named Christy Heineman. One was, and so it says Progressive Insurance, and the other was also to Progressive. 8, 9, 10, 11. Looks like it was about $11,300.
$11,000 with no visible, there was no damage. I did not, this was a standstill thing where I was trying to get around them because I was being swarmed by people. I'm being followed. And the police, the local police department are in on it. And it's all because I tie into Epstein and I'm literally I'm their biggest case member. This is what's happening right now. It's literally this. The local police department are involved in child sex trafficking, and I've been exposing this. And so this is what's happening. So it's like there's no police report that was filed, but you guys went ahead and paid this person $11,000 for this. There was no
And
damage.
I'm not sure why they. I mean, I'm not even seeing like
Okay, it's insurance. Yeah,
anything that would be
yeah, that's insurance fraud. I mean so then it seems very plausible on your end, wouldn't you say? Because that's what I'm saying. Because that's why my insurance rates increased so much. Like I said, my car is old. It's not even worth I mean, really $160? This is what's happening to me. And see that this, I know that you may not be necessarily like part of this. It doesn't sound like you are. I mean, they even get people in businesses, they reroute my phone calls and everything else. It's the most ridiculous thing that I'm dealing with right now. And it really does boil down to what I have happening. So
yeah,
you're not
that again.
seeing
Very, very.
So you're not seeing any visible proof of any damages or legalities on your end, then this needs to be disputed. What do I do? Because why would you guys just pay 11 grand to some, yeah, Heinemann? I mean, yes, this is Jewish Mossad. Uh, mhm. This is who's in here with us right now. People are talking about I no People are talking about Iran. No, that's not what you need to worry about. This is all the media scaring people. These are the people you need to worry about.
Here, trying to figure out the best course of action. 'Cause I'm looking through all these nodes, quite a bit of nodes.
Uh-huh. Yeah, I'm sure it's fabricated because I
So
can't.
they called you.
I talked to someone one time and then yeah, somebody called me back. I don't even know if it was legitimate, to be perfectly honest. Like, I'm literally surrounded by these people. Like I said, I'm being stalked and followed all the time. They staged this accident, quote unquote, and it literally, like, I wouldn't even call it a fender bender. It was me trying to get away from them because I'm being stalked. Like I said, look at the last name. I'm not lying to you. This is Jewish Mossad.
Yeah, 'cause, I mean, when it looks like ours, because it looks like it went to arbitration. I mean, it's strange. So I guess they filed with insurance, and then uh, a demand for I guess a total of 11,450.69, and Geico paid it.
Yeah, that's very interesting. Like, why would Geico just pay it? I never agreed to anything. I was never asked for. I'm disputing this. Like, I'm going to come after Geico if I don't have this resolved. I am not going to be paying $160 a month because I already knew this is what was going to happen. I know that you're not probably involved, but it's this. It's my phone calls, everything else. When I first called you guys just a little while ago, my phone was hung up on because they knew I was going to record this. I have all of my devices hacked. It's ridiculous what I have happening. Um, it's all because yeah, it really is what I'm saying. So what do I do to fix this? Because this is obviously fraud.
No, absolutely, absolutely. So of course on our end, I'm trying to figure out of a person that we'd be able to speak with. I know again, if I get you transferred over to service, they'd be able probably to adjust those rates and just look at because they can kind of see our notes just to look at what happened.
Yeah, there
So
was
we'd be
not
able
a
to get those
police
rates back down
report.
for you.
Yeah, there wasn't even a police report filed. They weren't going to go through the police because it's like I said, when this comes out, this is like the police and everything, the things that they're involved in. Listen, I've been exposing this for years. It's like horrible. And like we're occupied by Mossad and this is bad. And this just proves my point. Like I said, I'm recording this because I have to for my own safety. They're also coming after my adult son. So I need to resolve this because I never agreed to any of this. I informed the person, whoever that was that I talked to on the phone. I said, this is what happened. And then this person was not nice to me. That sounded like it may have been a black woman. I'm not entirely sure. and she said this was what was going to happen to go down. So I don't even know if that phone call, that particular phone call, was even legitimate. Like I said, I didn't agree to any of this. This is total fraud.
Yeah, that is. Huh, that definitely is strange. Trying to find if there was a specific adjuster. So there was an auto adjuster that was assigned at the time that this was open.
Are they
If you'd like, I
legitimate?
can give you their information because they'd be able to kind of let you know a little bit about why, or maybe because they're the ones who review the estimates that we get from other insurance companies.
Wouldn't you
So
guys,
if you'd like, I can give.
I'm sorry,
Mhm.
wouldn't you guys have any information there in terms of like what entailed, what happened? It doesn't say anything like that in terms of this quote unquote accident.
Let me see if it'll let me access arbitration files. Uh, Geico, Progressive, Liability. All right, let me see what this says. No, that's about admin fees. Storage
Yeah, I'm
fees,
gonna do a
storage
criminal
fees.
background check on these people. Not that they would have one. I mean, this is how bad things are in this country. These people are safe as kittens. They work through the synagogue of Satan.
That is crazy. Hold on, let me see. Um, let me. Yeah, just Geico is not disputing liability. It won't let me look further into that. Would you like me to get you that adjusted information?
Sure. I would actually like to talk to someone that's like higher in management about this so they can resolve that. Is there a chance I could speak to someone that's above that person? Because that just sounds so sketchy. It sounds like, it honestly sounds like fraud that could be all the way up into the Geico. I mean, because it just doesn't make sense. It doesn't, like, why would someone okay that? Like, without even talking to me? Isn't that your guys' policy on your end, is to speak to me about that? Because no one did, and you don't have any notes there. So, can I speak to someone that up ahead above that person?
Absolutely. I do have the supervisor for the department. I do have their phone number and their name is to
Okay.
get you there.
Okay. What's their phone number?
It's 540
Okay.
286
Uh-huh.
4516.
And what is their name?
Calley, Calley. Last name Walker.
Oh, okay. And could you transfer me to her directly, please?
To see if it'll connect. Usually when they see us calling, they try to avoid us like the plague. So just let me put
Okay.
you on hold and I'll try to reach out to them, okay?
Okay.
Awesome. Thanks.
Have you checked out Geico.com? With a quick click, you can update your policy information, make payments, add or quote a vehicle, change coverages, report and track a claim, find a local office, and more.
So if you haven't picked up on this, I'm
Hi.
calling Geico. I found out I am being followed and stalked by the Mossad. I traced them out. They're literal Jewish Mossad. And it looks like Geico's in on the insurance fraud. So basically, they're saying there was an $11,000 claim, which is a lie. No police report was filed. I was entrapped in this. It was basically I went around them and tapped them, and there's a big dispute there.
Larissa, are you still with me, ma'am?
Yes.
I do apologize. It just went straight to voicemail. It's like I mentioned, anytime they see us calling claims officers, to let it
Okay,
roll.
can I speak to someone, anyone that's up in management? Because I need to speak to someone about this. Because, like I said, this is sketchy. This should not have been okay. I mean, no one talked to me about this at all. There was no other person that filed anything, and I was never let aware of this. It's not until I received that in the mail, and I'm like, oh, they're pulling that, and I'm sure enough, she's another Jew. I mean, that's just the reality of it. So, I need Yeah, could I speak to somebody in management, please?
Yeah, let me see if there's someone here because I mean it's just us working here. Let me see if I can find a supervisor for you. Okay?
Thank you very much.
No problem.
Have you checked out Geico.com? Automatic payments from Geico. Fast, easy, and secure. Everything you love about Geico, now mobile. With Geico's mobile app, you can make a payment, access your digital ID card, request roadside assistance, access exclusive content, and more. Anytime, anywhere, right from your smartphone or tablet. Text mobile to 43426. Download the Geico app now.
Yeah, so this is Geico, like I said. Asia McLean. Is this pick up here? Asia, because I'm owned by China. McLean. What kind of name is that?
Note that there is a great new feature available on Geico.com for customers with a claim. Now you can schedule or
Yeah.
reschedule an appointment to have your vehicle inspected by
They're gonna try to yeah, they did fraud on me, for which Geico is obviously involved because $11,000 in damage that never happened, and nobody contacted me about it.
There's everything for us, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, perfect, perfect. So it looks like my direct supervisor is actually in a team meeting right now. I did message her. I went outside the office and I let her know what's going on. And so I'm sending her your claim number right now.
Okay.
As soon as she gets out the meeting, she said she will give you a call right back.
Okay. Did she look at it? What did she think it looks like? Because that's fraud. Like 11 grand and
No,
no.
absolutely. I kind of gave her like a quick rundown because, of course, they're in a team meeting, but she does
Yeah.
have the claim number, which can access all these notes. I did notate everything here in the file.
Yeah.
So, again, I would just get a call back from her.
Yeah.
Hopefully, here soon, whenever they get out of their meeting.
Yeah. Yeah. Because I mean, they're literally robbing you. I mean, because yeah. And you said there's no photos or anything in the file?
I don't see any photos in the file.
Yeah.
I can look through it again.
Yeah, and yeah, and this is what's funny.
Paperwork.
They're good at this. They'll manifest things. Like it really is like that. These are professionals. It's a crime syndicate. I'm surrounded by them. Like it really does boil down to Epstein. I'm exposing the pedophile rings. Okay. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, please let her. So she'll call me back this evening.
Absolutely, absolutely. I mean, they usually are in their meetings till about 5:15 or so. So hopefully she'll be out here momentarily. But that's like a Geico thing. Managers always go into meetings. I mean, right towards the end of the day. But again, she does have all your information, so I would be expecting a call back from her.
Okay, cool. Thank you very much, sir. What is your name?
My name is PET.
Okay. Pete, what's your last name?
It's Ariola. I'm a Spanish descendant.
Okay. All right, thank you. All right, bye-bye.
Oh man, is there anything else I can help with before we go off the line?
No.
Try to giving the information to my supervisor.
No, thank you. All right, bye-bye. Yeah, that sounded bogus. Yeah, his name is Pete, like my cat. This all aligns with what I have happening. Yeah, essentially, I am being followed and stalked by Jewish Mossad. They've hijacked my phone. I'm assuming it is due to the Pegasus software. It's actually more like a hardware because it's embedded in the phone. And so, yeah, this whole thing is fake. Um, yeah, all of it. So they're gonna have some bogus person probably call me back. Her last name's Walker, and that has descendants of my family, their last name. I'm sure it's all bullshit. So, yeah, you heard it here. This is what's happening to me. Like I said, yeah, I have the Mossad. They're trying to up my rates now with Geico. Okay, peace out.